Charging the device. Charge your device before first use. Open the charging slot, plug in the cable, and watch the indicator lights to monitor the charging progress. Here's a breakdown of the indicator lights and their battery percentages. 1 blinking light, 0 to 25%. 1 solid and 1 blinking light, 25 to 50%. 2 solids and 1 blinking light, 50 to 75%. 3 solids and 1 blinking light, 75 to 100%. 4 solid lights, 100%. Adjusting the straps. Adjust the straps for a secure and comfortable fit. Positioning the light. Position the light at the desired angle for your needs. The light can be tilted up or down to achieve the perfect angle. Using the lock mode. To lock, when the headlamp is turned off, hold for 3 seconds until the headlamp blinks twice. That will indicate that the lock mode is on. To unlock, hold for 3 seconds again until the headlamp blinks twice. That will indicate that the lock mode is off. Here's how to use the light modes. First press, medium light. Second press, low light. Third press, high light. Fourth press, strobe. Fifth press, off. Red light and boost mode. While the headlamp is turned on, hold the button for 3 seconds to activate red light mode. While red mode is on, hold for 3 seconds again to switch to boost mode. Adjusting the light focus. Turn the focus ring clockwise to narrow the beam or counterclockwise to widen it. Indicator, lights, and safety light. Pressing the button shows battery levels via rear indicators for 5 seconds. The red safety light is always on for visibility when the flashlight is active.